What's going on, guys? In today's video I am unboxing, giving the Google Nest Hub Max a quick review. Hey Google, turn on the home theater lights. For those of you that haven't seen the home theater tool, if you want to check it out, here is the link. But before we start, make sure you subscribe and click on that notification button for more future content. For now, let's dig in. Alright guys, here we are. I'm excited. I'm a massive fan of voice recognition, so let's get into it. I don't think there's going to be much in here, but let's just open it up. First thing we see is the display. Normally with this type of devices, you usually get your power cord, your display, and a manual. And that's your manual. Your power cord, and as expected, there's not much in here. Beautiful. All right, well, there we go. It is a little bit heavy. It's a very elegant design. We will start it up in a minute. I just want to have a look. We do have the G logo in the back with the power outlet. Got the camera in the front, the anti-slip white material with the G logo at the bottom. Yeah, there's not much to it, so let's just get in there. It's been a while we've spoken about straight up cool smart home tech. This is the Google Nest Hub Max. This device is the larger version of the Google Nest Hub with some additional features. Before we talk in detail about its features, the main selling points for this device includes things like Google Assistants to plan and prepare your week, as well as discover information online. You can video call, leave video messages, check in on the house when you're away, enjoy apps like YouTube for music and videos. Of course, you can control smart lights, plugs, other smart devices using your voice. It has a 10-inch HD screen and stereo speakers for high quality media experience. One of my favorites, facial recognition, personalizing your own notifications, and a 6.5 megapixels built-in camera. Now the device retails for about $350. A little steep in my books, well worth for what it does. It does come in two colors, chalk and charcoal. I chose the charcoal because I think it blends in nicely, just a personal choice really. First feature is the very powerful Google Assistant, which can be used for a wide range of requests such as show me pasta recipes, set a timer for 10 AM, what's my calendar for today, remind me to call dad, play my favorites on YouTube. Google Assist does make a really good use of the Nest Hub Max's 10-inch HD display. The things that really makes a good use of that is also a feature called Photo Frame. It allows you to set up photos to display on your Nest Hub Max in the Google Home app. Best part of this is you can choose photos from your Google Home library. Now the ambient EQ light sensor next to the camera on the front of the device helps adjust the brightness and color temperature of the display, and has over 16 million combinations of light and color, so your photos on the screen blend in perfectly with your home decor and adjust to any lighting situation. Photo display on this device is one of the most impactful features because of its positive experience you will receive that you don't normally get with any other tech products such as Lenovo Smart Display or Echo Show 5. And that's why this is a great gift idea for any parent, grandparent, or any other family members. You can also set up albums that you can share with your family and friends. They can also contribute throughout the year, and it will automatically update and show up on the Nest Hub Max. Now there is more to the display than just photos. Have a look at this. When you swipe up, it gives you options like ambient settings, volume control, camera options, setting an alarm, and a setting menu. Swiping right helps you choose and recommends you YouTube videos and assisting menu. Now let's talk about the video quality. This device has a 6.5 megapixel lens offering a variety of applications such as video calling, security, facial recognition, and music gesture control. It offers 120-degree field of view You can even get a subscription for security camera monitoring. You can make video calls to family members and friends with the Google Duo. If you're a Telstra mobile customer, you can actually make voice activated calls to contacts even when your mobile is off, which is awesome. If you feel that you need to turn off the camera but keep the sound on, you can simply turn it off with the button at the back of the device. Sound quality is a much more improved sound than the Nest Hub thanks to the 3-inch woofer in the back. Best sound I say compared to any other smart display device out there. Great for playing music, podcast, streaming services such as Spotify, etc. Also awesome for watching cooking videos, favorite shows like HBO or Hulu. It's an awesome device and possibly one of the best in the market. A lot more features than the Echo Show 5 or Lenovo Smart Display. I haven't ran into reliability issues. It's a great addition to any smart home, especially having the security and video calling feature. Definitely makes things around the house a lot easier, and for me personally saves me a lot of time. And I love watching my favorite channel on YouTube. Okay guys, there you have it. That is the Google Nest Hub Max. The wife and the kids should be home any minute. I better start cooking. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.